Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Realme P4x 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. Here you can see incorrect password, please try again. Here you can see incorrect password, please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power off your smartphone. Okay, now press and hold the volume down and power button together for a few seconds, and when the Realme logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume down button. And you can see here, select language, volume keys to move up and down, and power button to confirm, or you can also use the touch feature. Select language and it will send you recovery, format data, reboot device, and power off is available. Tap on format data. So here you can see, please enter verification code 5750. Enter it 5750. So here you can see on bottom, format data, all user data will be reset. Now simply tap on format. As you can see, wiping, please wait, and you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device. And after hard reset, again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Realme P4x 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in the comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest update.